If you've ever wondered how the EarnIn app works and what you should know before signing up, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the EarnIn app step by step so you can understand exactly how it helps you access your money as you earn it. EarnIn lets you access part of your paycheck before payday without charging interest or mandatory fees. You can get paid as you work instead of waiting for the usual 2-week or monthly pay cycle to hit your bank account. Here's how it works. After finishing a day at work, you can cash out a portion of your earnings up to $150 per day and as much as $750 per pay period in most cases. Unlike payday lenders, EarnIn doesn't charge interest. Instead, it gives you the option to leave a voluntary tip. There are no required fees, so you only tip what you think is fair. You might be wondering, how does EarnIn know how much I've worked? That depends on how you get paid. If you have recurring direct deposits from your employer, EarnIn tracks your hours using bank activity and timesheets. Some users can even connect their timesheets or clock in and out directly through the app. Once you've earned wages, just open the app, choose how much money you want to access, and that amount is sent directly to your linked checking account. On your next payday, EarnIn automatically withdraws the amount you already received. There's no confusing repayment process. Your paycheck simply arrives as usual, minus what you took out early. Keep in mind, EarnIn isn't for everyone. You'll need a checking account, a steady pay schedule, and direct deposit through your employer. Limits also vary based on your pay history, account activity, and employer type. For eligible users, EarnIn offers flexibility and quick access to your own money. Whether you're facing an unexpected expense,